amerudisha huru, amepiga shoot, mpira imeenda nje.
Nethi kwemwe thutha wa ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro niyo NASA kwanirira Raila Odinga ari murirukia wa bendera yao githurano-ini giukite, kuria riu Kalonzo Musyoka athing'iririo gutetera itua riu thutha wa arumiriri ake kwaga kuiguanira na itua riu.
Such an important decision was taken yesterday. There's always room even for amendments, but the general sense of direction is very clear.
Hari mutaratara urio ranirirwo muthenya wa ira, Raila Odinga abatie gutongoria kwa ihinda ria miaka 5 wona akorwo ni agathurwo na gutigira Kalonzo Musyoka. Undu urio cungiriirie gikundi kia abunge kuma mwena wa ikamba-ini matongoretio ni urio rari muikariri giti wa kiama-kia Wiper David Musila na mutongoria wa aria nini bunge-ini Francis Nyenze gukirira ngwataniro ya NASA makiuga itua ria atongoria a NASA ni mugaru noria maiguithaniirie. Abunge ni maugite ni hegukorwo na uritu kuri arumiriri ao gwitikira kunyitanira mbaru na atongoria a NASA kuona ni manogetio ni ciiraniro itagakinyanira.
It has to be explained why they never got their share. And if I don't fight for the combination, who will fight for them? I will stand firm and say what is right for the combination. They deserve it.
Ni undu uyu ni ucungiriirie aruna a hakuhi a Kalonzo kumutetithia makiuga muingi wa ikamba-ini ndwagiriire kugayukanio ni atongoria eyendi.
If that MOU of 2013 was trashed and said it was not crafted in a proper way and it was dishonored, what guarantee is there that even this MOU for Raila being a transition president will hold?
Ndugamano ino yumirite thiku imwe thutha wa atongoria a NASA kurugurio. Undu wa bata makiria ni uria atongoria a ngwataniro ino megwika handu-ini ha Kameme TV jitagwo Jenga wa Wambui.